How to add account in Myfxbook. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure you're logged into your account in Myfxbook. Then head over to Portfolio and then tap Add Account. From here you can choose your platform, MetaTrader 5, MT4, CTrader. I'm gonna choose MetaTrader 5. Do auto update here. Let's select it. Account name, you can do whatever you want. You can select the broker that you're using, the server, and from here type in your account number and investor password. So let's create an account, and it's gonna take a while, but Myfxbook is gonna sync all of your data. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.